acquire access to the full spectrum of OnBase can choose a client experience that provides the tools they need to best complete their work. Whether they select a browser or desktop client, they'll have a personalized, complete view of the information needed to make informed decisions and push business forward. We'll begin by showing documents as they come into OnBase. Not all users will be involved in all steps, but you'll be able to see the breadth of functionality available. Here we are in the OnBase desktop client with a personalized page of everything we need. As soon as a document enters the system, OnBase begins classification. OCR technology reads data right off the page, automating keyword indexing. Here we see an invoice that has just been scanned. With a click, the PO number is captured and the related information from the purchase order is populated instantly. Complex values like this tracking number, for example, are easily extracted, read directly from the page in real time, avoiding any mistyped values. We note that not all items ordered were received. Once capture is complete, the document is processed by OnBase workflow. The item is immediately evaluated and routed as an exception for further review. Our AP user receives the packing slip along with related documents, providing the necessary context to decide how this invoice should be handled. After looking at the original PO, we decide to contact the vendor regarding the missing items. Later, when the vendor calls, it doesn't matter who answers the phone. Anyone can quickly research and resolve the issue. Without needing to know the PO number, we perform a search across all the AP documents for the word smartphone. Sorting the documents by type, we find the exact one we're looking for, that packing slip with the exception from yesterday. While on the phone, we quickly review the information and confirm that the replacement shipment is on its way. Based on user preference, these same AP documents can be dynamically displayed in a different way using an electronic file cabinet. Just like in the paper world, documents are organized in nested, tabbed folders. But in this case, they provide all the flexibility and security of OnBase. OnBase folders even automatically create and populate themselves. Additionally, folder users can review documents currently being processed by workflow, something they could never do before. Another feature not found in the real world, OnBase smart folders identify missing documents. When a browser client is preferred, OnBase offers the same great functionality in a zero-footprint, HTML-only web interface. This dashboard has the same search and workflow and folder access we previously saw. Using a shortcut to upload the corrected invoice, this particular exception is brought to a close. This is just a small sampling of the OnBase features users can take advantage of, giving them the tools they need to get more done. Find out more about all of the things OnBase can do for you at onbase.com.